Your bathtub does a great job of holding gallons of hot water so you can soak your battle-worn body. And from time to time, it's important to give it a good cleaning as it can become greasy, grimy, and grotesque, lathered in soap scum. How exactly to clean a bathtub, I'll show you the easiest way to do so in this video. All you need is some type of all-purpose spray or a bathroom cleaner. It can be a homemade DIY cleaner or a store-bought product, whichever you prefer. You also need a cleaning sponge and a cup. Here's what to do. Spray the bathtub liberally with your cleaning spray, making sure you hit all surface area. Pay special attention to the drain area and make sure you spray that too. Allow the cleaning product to dwell for 10 minutes before doing any type of scrubbing. This gives it a chance to loosen up any of the grimy soil that needs to be cleaned, allowing you to work smarter rather than harder. You're allowing the product to do the cleaning for you, so it's easy to remove. After the 10 minutes has elapsed, fill your cup with hot water, dip your sponge in it, pull it out, and wipe out the entire bathtub. Step on the sponge and use your foot to clean the bathtub floor. A word of advice, I recommend wearing slip-resistant shoes when cleaning bathrooms. I'll leave some listed and linked down below. After the floor is finished, use your hands to wipe off the walls and use the sponge to clean around the drain cap as well. Next, rinse out the bathtub by filling up your cup with water and pouring the water down the side of the walls. This will leave it clean, fresh, and white. Lastly, touch up the edge of the bathtub and the faucet with a damp washcloth, and you're done. If you're wondering what is the easiest way to clean your shower head, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.